Give me 1,000 ulcers. I will undoubtedly pull smoke from his foot. Give me 10 youngsters. I will undoubtedly shake the world. The sword of the first president of Indonesia is Soekarno. He tells us just important news are too few words alone. What is the word? Yes, a youngster, or as we know it now, millennial. And in the school opportunity, I'd like to review my speech entitled Youth Enthusiasm for Being Successful in the Digital Era. Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Venerable educators and all of my viewers. We might have overheard that word, but what does it actually mean? Yes, millennial, a part of millennial generation, our generation Y, is what used to describe a person who is adult and in the 21st century covers the generation of people born between 1919 and 2000. This generation gives great influence to the nation economy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, millennials mostly grew up using electronic, the internet, and are generally falling on the social media. According to DMR, Digital Marketing Webmates, millennial generation spend 18 hours per week on their smartphone. Millennials are surfing the internet all day long through their gadget. Thus, we can assume that information is absorbed and exchanged between this age group faster than any other. This affinity for informative and proxy cultural exchange will lead to coalition made by people of good word and enforce integrating between people, no matter the language barrier. This alone for the introduction of our culture is one of many ways to push Indonesian tradition into the spotlight. The diversity of ethnicities and culture globally can encourage the creative and innovation of the younger generations in building creative illusions. This allows us to develop and utilize the ease of access to foreign technology all over the world. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, furthermore, the world is constantly entering the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where automation is covered by machine without requiring human labor to supply. This shift will not have impact if it is not balanced with this poor quality and performance to the younger generations, who must be able to develop us according to our new generation. These bold individuals will dream becoming successful people, facilitated by current high age. Moreover, in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, millennials might connect with digital technology to seize new business opportunities. For example, nowadays, everything is completely online. We can seize business opportunities opening online store. In addition, other business opportunities completely online. We can seize business opportunities by opening online store. Currently, flight and train ticket services can be ordered online. However, there is a lack of online development for transportation, such as sea. From here, we can start our own niche business by creating digital media in oceanic transportation. Until here, do you know what I say with my speech? Okay, next. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, with this continuously developing innovations, success will be easily achieved for the youth. As a part of the millennial generation, we must seize the opportunities given to our technological development and have dreams of success. But even our everyday life, there is no movement, sacrifice, hard work, and personal development. Those dreams will not come true. Change the world for the better through innovations by utilizing online media and exposing yourself to culture exchange. You hold the power to shape the way forward. I think that's all my speech. I hope my speech can be useful for us. Thanks for your attention. I'm Pandal Bibrakoso from St. High School on Prince Albert. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.